ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Hello friends, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video, I will be getting it all done. If you are new today and enjoy cleaning, decorating, and homemaking style videos, I would love for you to join me here on my journey and click that red subscribe button down below. And don't forget to please leave me a comment. I would love to get to know you. I hope you enjoy today's video.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chase.
Okay guys, so I wanted to pop on here. I finally got one dog off the bed, all to have the other one get on the bed. It's a real day in the life.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody?
I wanted to pop on here because if you are new and joining me for the first time today, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kristen, and this is Cora's Cozy Castle, named after my little 5-pound dachshund Cora, who I'm sure you have seen running through some of my videos. I am a wife of 16 years to my high school sweetheart Jeff, and we have 3 boys. Britton is 12, Asher is 9, and Jensen is 2. I started this channel after Jensen was born because YouTube helped me get through some really bad postpartum depression days, and also helps me with my health anxiety. I felt like I wasn't alone, and I wanted to start this channel in the hope that I could help someone else out there, maybe with the same struggles or different ones. But my main goal has always been to make you feel less lonely for the day, no matter what your circumstances may be. I hope you know that you have a real friend when you come to my little space here on YouTube. I enjoy making these videos, and I hope you all enjoy them too.
I find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Here I am using my Hettie the Hoover. Guys, this is seriously the best vacuum I have ever owned. And I also have Henry the Hoover. If you all want a review on these vacuums and want to know why I love them so much, leave that down in the comments down below. And on a personal note, I use my English accent because, well, my dad is from England, so I'm half English, if you all did not know.
If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way.
I want to take this time to let you all get to know me a little bit better. I have shared this on my channel before, but I suffer from and have been diagnosed with OCD and generalized anxiety disorder that over the years has turned into major health anxiety. It's one of those things that's hard to understand if you haven't ever experienced it. But for those of you that have, my thoughts and prayers are with you. It's something I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. For me, it is a daily struggle of intrusive thoughts, irrational what-if thinking, and feelings of doom. I have tried many things over the years, and I have found for me that cleaning has always seemed to be a really good outlet. This channel and watching others clean and knowing I'm not alone has truly helped me. I am nowhere close to feeling like I'm healed from this, but each day I feel a step closer. And on a major plus, I have a really clean house. Well, most of the time. The other thing I have realized about myself during 2020 is that I do better with having less things. I have decluttered a lot of my house, and it has really helped me to focus on my family more and not feel so overwhelmed, which is bad to feel that way if you have OCD and health anxiety. I want to share some of that with you all in the future videos. My prayer is that if you are suffering like I am, that you continue to find what helps you and what motivates you. Everyone is different, but one thing I do know is we are all more than anxiety, and we can get through this together. I hope I'm not being too personal, but it is my passion to reach anyone out there like myself. And again, it's what motivated me to start this channel. I will be praying for each and every one of you.
Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily.
I love to clean with Odoban Cleaner. I learned about this cleaner when I worked at a preschool when my oldest son was a baby. It is a great odor eliminator, which is mostly why the preschools like to use it. And I believe that they use this product even after fires in like homes and buildings and things like that, because it truly works. And it leaves my kitchen feeling super fresh. It is a green cleaner. I will make sure to link all of my products down below, but I'm curious, what's your favorite all-purpose cleaner like to use throughout your whole house?
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
I usually use the Method stainless steel polisher on all of my appliances, but today, just because I'm trying to get everything like sanitized, I'm using the Odoban Cleaner just to even wipe down all of the appliances. I just wanted everything to feel really fresh, although I'm planning to do more of a deep clean. Stay tuned for that, but it made the appliances pretty shiny, so I was pretty happy with that. I just love the smell of the Odoban. It is a different kind of a smell, but I really, really enjoy it. So I just wanted to get everything clean. This door was absolutely just really gross, so the camera hid a lot of the dirt, but it all came up and it just feels so fresh and clean now.
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea.
All right, guys, that is about it for today's video. I hope it motivated you. Please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Much love always. Bye.